Hi, welcome to Ready Made Templates YouTube channel. In this video today, we are going to design a college resume for students and fresh candidates in MS Word format. Watch this video from start to end and let us know in the comments section below if this has helped you to create a wonderful resume for you. First of all, let's set up the page. Go to the margins and remove margins from all sides of the page. This will help to align our objects easily across the page. Keep the orientation as portrait and the page size to letter, which is 8.5 inches in width and 11 inches in height. Then, insert a rectangle shape of 8.5 inches in width and 4.33 inches in height. We will use this to design the upper part of the resume. Align this rectangle on the top of the page. Right-click the shape and remove the outline and change the color to a darker gray. Right-click again, and click the Edit Points option. Click the bottom right corner and drag it a little upward. Insert a text box. This is what we will use to write the candidate's name in bigger, bolder fonts. Archivo Narrow is the font that I am going to use with a 44 font size. Remove the space after the paragraph. Right-click the text box and go to the Format Shape options and remove margins from all sides of the text box. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more such exciting and informative videos. Right-click the text box and remove the background color and outline. Change the text color to white. Duplicate the text box to create a new one. We are going to use this new text box to write the job title. Use Calibri font for this text box. Set font size to 22. Change the color of this text to green. Select both text boxes and group them together to make them one object. Rotate this object anti-clockwise to show text in vertical style. Place this on the left side of the header. Now, go to the Insert menu and insert a rectangle shape of 2.7 inches in width and 3.58 inches in height. Align the rectangle in parallel to the name and job title text boxes. Right-click and remove the outline of the shape. Go to the Edit Points and drag the bottom right corner of the shape upward, to make the slope at this point parallel the slope of the gray header in the background. Right-click the shape, go to the Picture in the Fill options and select the candidate's photo to fill in this shape. This photo might not be in the proper aspect ratio. To fix this, go to the Picture Format menu, and select the Fill option under the Crop submenu. This will fill the photo in a perfect aspect ratio. Then, adjust the photo inside the shape to show the way you want. Copy the name text box and paste it to create a new one. We will use this new text box to write the About Me heading. Reduce the font size. Split the text into two colors, that is, the first part in green color and the rest in white. Then, copy the job title text in the same way. We will use this new text box to write the candidate's basic and brief detail on the right side of the header. can download this college resume design for students and fresh candidates in Microsoft Word format from OfficeTemplatesOnline.com. The link is provided in the description of this video. Go to the Insert menu, and insert a rectangle shape of 3.5 inches in width and 7.19 inches in height. Remove the outline and select the darker gray color for this shape. You can copy the color codes from the bottom of the screen or in the description of the video. Right-click the shape and click on Send to Back option. This will send the shape behind all objects on the page. Now go to the Insert menu, Shapes, and select the Freeform Shape tool. Draw a line parallel to the bottom slope of the header. Change the color of this line to white and set the width to 12 points. This will separate both the header and body parts of the resume. Duplicate the About Me heading text to create a new one to write a heading for the education section. Split the color of this heading in the body section into darker gray and green colors. Duplicate the About Me detail text to create a new text box. Change the color of this new text box to black. We will use this to write the academic history of the candidate. Write the university name and year of completion on the top, and detail of the educational record below that. Reduce the size of the detail a little bit, and increase the font size of the year and university name to 12 points. Bold this text line and change the university name color to green to make it a little stand out. Select this one educational record and paste it as many times as you want to add your academic records. Now, duplicate the education heading text box to create a new one to write the heading for work experience. Split the colors in the same way we did for the education heading. Duplicate the education detail text to write the work experience. Insert a new rectangle shape of 0.43 inches in width and 3.47 inches in height on the right side of the page. Remove the outline and change the background of this rectangle to green. Move this shape a little on the left side of the gray background. Go to the Insert menu, Shapes, and click the Freeform Shape tool. Draw a little triangle just below the part of the green rectangle which is not on the gray background. Remove the outline of this triangle shape and fill a little darker green color. Right-click the green rectangle and add text to it. We will use this as a heading for the contact information section. Duplicate the About Me detail text box and place it below the contact info green header. Use this new text box to write the contact information of the candidates such as phone number, email address, and street address. Insert a circle shape on the left side of the contact numbers. Remove the outline and fill the green color in this circle shape. Duplicate this circle shape to add 2 more on the left sides of the email address and street address. Go to the Insert menu, Image, and inset a phone icon on the first green circle shape. Insert an email and location icon on the left side of the email address and street address in the same way we did for the phone icon. You can download all of these icons from the links provided in the description of this video. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more such exciting and informative videos. Select both green rectangle and triangle shapes and group them together, so that we can reuse this section to create a new technical skills section. Duplicate the green heading and place it below the contact information. Change the heading text to technical skills. Duplicate the contact information text box and place it below the technical skills heading. We will use this new text box to write the candidate's skills. Write the candidate's skills on each line with a self-rating. Insert a small circle shape just below the top skill. Set both the outline and fill colors to green. Duplicate this circle shape to create 9 more small circles. Select all of the 10 green circles, go to the Align menu on top and distribute them horizontally. Right-click the selection and group all of these circles shaped together. Now, duplicate this group of circles below each skill line in this section. Now, remove the fill color of the number of circles based on the skill rating you have set for a skill. Do not remove the outline for any of those circles. Do this for each skill. With that, our college resume design is completed. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Thank you.